Hey, have you seen people posting these action figure avatars around the internet? Would you like to know how to make one of your own? Let's just ask ChatGPT how to do it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, what prompt would you need to create an action figure like this? And then I'm just gonna drag and drop this right in here, boom. And so it's gonna look at this and it's gonna figure out what prompt would get this kind of result. Okay, so now it's looking at the action figure avatar. It made this one because ChatGPT knows about me, that I was an acrobat in the circus. I juggle flaming torches. I'm a bit of a wizard, and I'm a public speaker who works on the internet. So I thought it did pretty well on this. And here we go. I'm gonna get this prompt, and then I'm gonna do a new chat. Create a boxed action figure of a professional speaker and digital marketer named Caelan Huntress. Okay, so this is a problem. I didn't want it about this. What prompt would you need for someone else to create their own action figure? Gotta be specific. Flexible fill in the blanks prompt. Design a boxed action figure of, and then you gotta put your name in. I'd rather a prompt that someone else could put in their own ChatGPT with memory turned on and no variables to fill out. See, this is the work that I have to do as a prompt engineer. I have to identify what I dislike and modify the prompt that I give it. And so here we go. I'd like you to create an image of me as a boxed action figure. Use what you know about my personality, profession, and interests to design a fun and stylized collectible. Imagine me posed confidently in the packaging, wearing an outfit that reflects my usual style or professional persona. Include 4 to 5 signature accessories that represent my tools, hobbies, or quirks, things that would make sense as part of my action figure kit. The packaging should have bold text with my name at the top, a background color or design that suits my personal brand, and an overall aesthetic that feels like a limited edition figure you'd find on a collector's shelf. Make the image photorealistic and framed in a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's doing that because it knows that I like, wait, no, 16. No, that's right. Okay, so I'm gonna take this whole prompt, which you'll find in the description of this video or somewhere in the comments or somewhere nearby, and I'm just gonna paste it in here to see what kind of results that it gives me, okay? So the image generator can take a moment, so let me pause. I don't know who it thinks I am. ChatGPT. This is unexpected. I did get the aspect ratio wrong, so I'm gonna paste it without that aspect ratio specification at the end. But look at this. It's in keeping with the meme, but I think it stinks. And so my job as a prompt engineer is to say, what stinks here? I don't like it that the elbow is outside of the packaging. I don't like it that it's 16:9, so try again. Make it 9:16 and keep the elbow in the packaging. Where did Chachi come from? I kind of want to have a conversation with my ChatGPT about why Chachi, but I don't know why it's confused on my identity, but maybe we'll just go with that. There's this way you can customize your GPT, and maybe I don't have this filled in. I don't have it filled in because I was doing this with a workshop. So I have to let it know, my name is Caelan. What do? I am a generative AI trainer. And what traits should ChatGPT have? Be brief and optimistic. Those are things that I like about it. And I can have it be witty and straight shooting. All right, and anything else I should know? This is why I think it has the image saved incorrectly. And so now I'm gonna start a new chat. I'm gonna try that whole thing, and I'm gonna make the image photorealistic and cut the end. And this is what I'm gonna give you, is that prompt. Okay, so now I'm gonna pause and we'll see what it generates. Okay, finished the revision of Chachi. The elbow, it's not really in the package. It's still, but it's dark. So I guess it's trying to cover its own tracks. Let's see what it did with the new one. Jessica. Apparently I'm Jessica, the action figure. So this is telling me something about ChatGPT's memory function, that it's not as good as it used to. But this prompt still might get you some leverage. So I'll share this prompt with you, play with it. It's a fun game, and let me know how you go. Have fun out there.